Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans of the TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates wins. I'm joined by Makrati.
Hey, show down. Yeah. Today, we are happy as Amakos. Yes. We are happy today. Why I'm saying this, the country now is on silent mode. People are sleeping now. So, what we are going to do on Wednesday, today it was a memorial service of Sundowns. Yeah. On Wednesday, we are taking them to graveside. We are going to bury them. They are going to rest in peace. They are tired to live. We don't want to see any Sundowns. All the Sundowns supporters must go and sleep. Must go and sit there tired. Sundowns, doesn't have a coach, doesn't have players. They are tired. Sundowns is a dead elephant. There's no Sundowns. Sundowns is tired. They are tired, all of them. What is Sundowns? What is Sundowns? It's nothing. Sundowns is dead. He's dead, Sundowns. It's a dead elephant. Today came, they were poor. Next week they were poor. No more Sundowns. That is what I'm saying. On today it was a memorial service of Sundowns. Wednesday we are taking them to a graveyard. We are going to bury them. They are dead. They need to rest. They are tired. Steve-O, don't skip today. Today I regret my decision, Steve-O. Today I regret to support Sundowns. I regret it, Steve-O. I regret. You know, Steve-O, I supported a team that is not for me. Yes. I support a team that is dead. Yes. So I want to say to Omokosi, I apologize. I was forced by my emotions. Yeah. That is why I say apologize, Mokosi. So what I'm saying as a president of GNU, on Wednesday, Mapagania, all the teams, the PSL, let's go and support Kaizer Chiefs. We want to bury this one. We want to bury this one. We want to bury this one. We want to support them. Because and people, they must understand. People must understand. Because Sundowns is the king of the PSL. And it's nothing. We want to support him. I want the supporters to understand Matlaz. Matlaz is not a soccer analyst. He's an influencer of a fan base of Kaizer Chiefs. I say whatever I want to say. I can say bad about anything. I don't know anyone to say no. Hey, what I say I say what I want to say. I'm not a soccer analyst. I'm an influencer of Kaizer Chiefs. So that is what I'm saying there. Sundowns must go back to drawing board. They don't have a coach. Sundowns. The players are tired. Like I said, they had a fatigue. They didn't have enough rest after preseason. They just rested 1 week. They came back. Understand? So they are tired. They are tired. They must go and rest. So that's what I'm saying. We're going to bury them on Wednesday. They must come, all of them. Understand? This 57 fans is dead. Check Steve-O. Even inside that dressing room there. The dressing room is divided. We will come. They don't want to let Mutau go. They don't want to let Costa Ribeiro go. Why? So that shows that Costa Ribeiro was Sundowns. Without Costa Ribeiro, there's no Sundowns. Sundowns is dead. So they must let all the players who want to go to Greener Pasture, they must release them to Clorton prison. They must go. They must free them. They must go. We are tired about Sundowns administration. We are tired. The coach must go. This Gadoso guy. It's useless. It's useless. Don't go this one. It's useless. But they were gonna win. No, he must go. It's a plumber. Gadoso must go. Finish. So, man of the match of today, it goes to all the supporters Pirates. Amen. All the supporters Pirates who are here, I give them man of the match. Understand? And then I want to say, that behavior they did is normal. Football is a sport of emotion. That thing they throw that side it's fine. Understand? That is what I'm saying. What happened with Madadia, they're throwing things inside the stadium. It's football. It's normal. It's happening this one. No, it's happened. It's emotion. Football is a sport of emotion. So I want to say, people, guys, let's forgive Bagadia. They played well. They represent us as well. Thank you, Steve. I'm happy. Sundowns must die forever.